Meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, what a cool story. Looking forward to that. And it's a little cool out there right now. Speaking of cool, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 not showing any precipitation locally. And you've been hearing for a few days now about the rain that's on the way, but it's not going to affect this afternoon. Here's why. You can see the showers well to our west. We're still being kind of protected by a center of high pressure that will keep the rain away until this evening. So we'll be left with scenes like this. This is the capital city with a mix of sun and clouds. Winds are out of the northeast at 7 miles an hour, and those easterly winds will help put a cap on our temperatures today. Here's the atmospheric setup. We have this front down to the south. This will eventually nose up to the north, bringing some of these showers along with it, especially as a center of low pressure kind of rides along it like a road. And then we also have the system down here in the southeast in the Atlantic. Now, there's a potential that this turns into a tropical system, but even if that does not happen, or it doesn't really matter. By the time it gets up here to the northeast, it will sort of throw some of its moisture into that front and give us the chance for some downpour. So we're not worried about a hit from a tropical storm or anything like that, but we may get some of the remaining moisture as we head into tomorrow and Saturday. Here's how that sets up in our Futurecast. 11 o'clock tonight, some scattered showers, drizzle. I wouldn't be surprised to see the first showers arriving around 7, 8, 9 p.m. this evening. Into tomorrow morning, some more scattered showers. Notice what happens. We have some hit or miss downpours, especially late morning into tomorrow afternoon. You may even get a thunderstorm or two out here towards the Cape Cod Canal, Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard, even into the south coast of Rhode Island. But also notice something. It's not raining the whole time, so when I say hit and miss, I mean there'll be a lot of miss in here too. We're sort of in between showers and downpours. Friday night into Saturday morning, same story, off and on downpours. And then Saturday afternoon, we've been watching that very carefully. Right now it looks like most of the rain would be over with, but there is a potential that some of the rain does spill into Saturday afternoon. So I've been telling people, if you're trying to make plans, outdoor plans for Saturday afternoon, and you can tolerate the very gusty winds, you want to maybe put off that decision as long as possible as we look at more data into Saturday. Right now, again, Saturday afternoon looks mostly rain-free, and it mostly falls during the morning, but definitely stay tuned on that. In terms of amounts, anywhere from ½ an inch to 1 inch of rain. Now, when we have tropical moisture involved, sometimes some locations can get a lot more than others. So in terms of pinpointing how much rain we'll actually get, that's another reason to keep tuning in, because when we're 1-2 days out, it's really hard to fine-tune those exact rainfall amounts, especially when we have a front combining with that tropical moisture. Today, it's a lot more simple. We're in the mid-60s along the south coast, mid to upper 60s here in northern Rhode Island, 66 in Breville, 67 in Scituate, eastern Massachusetts, upper 60s from Attleboro into Seekonk, mid-60s down into Westport and Dartmouth. For lows tonight, we're talking about upper 50s to around 60 with some showers, mist, and drizzle. Actually, not that cool for this time of year. And then back to that weekend Futurecast, 57. So that is a big story this weekend. Even if the rain does shut off during the afternoon, we're in the upper 50s, gusts of around 35 miles an hour. And on Sunday, those gusts will continue. So that 58 and that sunshine, that's going to feel more like the low 50s, even the upper 40s with those winds cranking. Also notice that Sunday morning temperature in the upper 30s, Monday upper 50s with a chance of some showers. So a lot of up and down in that Futurecast, Danielle, and definitely some rain on the way tomorrow into Saturday.
All right, thanks, Pete. And now we want to let you know we're working on